Episode 8, Exam Day Playbook and Rapid Recall. In this episode, a tactical playbook for the sitting, the highest yield facts, and a fast-fire recall sprint across the whole course. Final episode. 2 parts, how to handle the exam in the room, and a rapid recall sprint to confirm everything has stuck. The playbook. First tactic, for every scenario question, silently ask what is the input and what is the output. That one habit resolves most workload and service questions, as we have practiced all course. Second, read for the keyword. Responsible AI questions in particular hinge on a single giveaway word: bias, accessibility, consent, understand, governance. Third, do not overthink the Python. The snippets are there to be recognized, not authored. Identify what the code is doing at a high level. Is it a chat client, a text analysis call, an agent, and move on. Fourth, manage the clock. With roughly 45 minutes for the paper, that is around a minute a question, so flag anything that stalls you and come back. Fifth, weight your final revision toward Domain 2, Foundry, because it carries the most marks. And remember, you need 700, so you have room for a few misses. Steady accuracy beats perfection. One more piece of strategy: when 2 answers both look plausible, prefer the one that matches the exact capability described rather than a more general one. The exam often offers a tempting near miss, a service that could sort of do it, next to the purpose-built answer. Match the specific need to the specific capability. Rapid recall sprint. Here come fast-fire prompts spanning the whole course. Pause after each, answer aloud, then play on. Ready. Rapid recall sprint. Pause after each, answer aloud, then play on. The 6 responsible AI principles. Fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, accountability. Temperature near zero produces what kind of output? Focused, consistent, deterministic, good for factual and code tasks. Embedding models output what and power what use case? Vectors capturing meaning, they power search and retrieval. Generative versus agentic AI in one line. Generative creates content on request, agentic adds goals, tools, and multi-step autonomy. Object detection adds what over image classification. It locates each object with a bounding box. What plus where? Document intelligence versus content understanding. Document intelligence gives structured fields from forms and invoices. Content understanding does multimodal extraction from documents, images, audio, and video. System prompt versus user prompt. System sets role and rules, user is the specific request. The 3 ingredients of a Foundry agent. A model, instructions, and optional tools. Speech recognition versus speech synthesis. Recognition is speech to text, synthesis is text to speech, shaped by SSML. Which domain to revise hardest, and the passing score. Domain 2, implement with Foundry, 55 to 60%, the pass mark is 700. That is the course. Replay episode 6 and 7, run a few practice questions, and book the exam with confidence. Good luck.